Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're here for round 5 of Las Vegas versus Atlantic City Hotels and Casinos. Let's see, we did Caesars, we did the Trop, we did Harrah's, the last one we did was Bally's, and now the very last one of this entire series, the only hotel casino property left that has properties in both Las Vegas and Atlantic City is the Golden Nugget. So far, Las Vegas only won one round, and that was the first one with Caesars. Caesars Las Vegas won that round. Atlantic City won the next 3, including Harrah's, the Trop, and Bally's. So, which one of the Golden Nuggets is going to win the 5th and final round of this battle? So stay tuned and let's find out. You guys ready? Okay, here we go. Let's get ready to gamble! So today we're going to start off in Atlantic City. The Golden Nugget in Atlantic City is on the bay side, the beautiful Absecon Bay, which empties out into the Atlantic Ocean, which is very close to here. This hotel and casino used to be the Trump Marina until the Golden Nugget bought it out. And as you can see, lots of beautiful boats and yachts here along the marina. And this isn't a view you're going to see quite often, if at all, in Las Vegas. What we're looking at here is the Deck Bayfront Bar and Restaurant right outside the Golden Nugget. It's a great place to hang out if you want to catch some sunshine or even some shade. There's also a bar here that's playing your favorite game on one of the many monitors. And of course, there's those wonderful views of the Absecon Bay. These tables that are covered here right now are not mini bars, but actually blackjack tables. Hello? When was the last time you were dealt a hand of blackjack with a view like this? I don't know about you guys, but I wouldn't mind spending an entire afternoon here walking along the marina, watching some games, playing some blackjack, having some food, a nice lunch or a nice casual dinner here on the marina. And if I imbibe just a little too much, well, hey, there's a hotel attached. And now let's check out the entrance of the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas. This is not on the Las Vegas Strip. It is downtown, one of the only downtown contenders in this entire competition. It's located on Fremont Street, the Fremont Street Experience right outside if you look overhead. And this place looks beautiful day or night. And unlike the Las Vegas Strip or Atlantic City, which is pretty much busy 24/7, Fremont Street is kind of strange in that it's really eerily quiet during the daytime. If you want to enjoy a nice breakfast and coffee out on Fremont Street, you can do that. But at night, it becomes a huge party atmosphere. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you're automatically enrolled in the next $50 gift card giveaway here on the New York channel. As far as eating here at the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas, downtown is becoming known for their steakhouses, more so than the Las Vegas Strip. Some of the best steaks you could eat are in downtown Las Vegas, including Vic and Anthony's Steakhouse, which is voted one of the top 10 steakhouses in the country. Then there's a place to eat called Claim Jumper, which is kind of like a diner type place, a little bit of everything. A Chick-fil-A just opened here. There's Cadillac Mexican Kitchen, which is all Mexican food, and a tequila bar. Then there's Saltgrass, another steakhouse. This place has 2 steakhouses. Again, downtown, very popular for steakhouses. And of course, there's the usual Starbucks as well. Also in the restaurant area here at the Golden Nugget downtown is the pool area. And as you can see, it's a pretty nice pool. Downtown's not known for its pools and its pool features as much as the Strip is. But this is these hotels down here are very old. It's the original Las Vegas. And I got to tell you, for downtown, this is a very nice pool. Probably one of the nicest ones down here. Kind of new, actually. They spent $30 million on it, and it's an award-winning pool. Not only is it a swimming pool, but it's got a 200,000-gallon shark tank in the middle of it, so you can swim among the sharks. Obviously, there's glass in between you and the sharks. It's a 3-story complex with 17 private cabanas, a couple of bars, and just a really nice place to hang out. As far as shopping here at the Golden Nugget downtown, well, there's not really that much to choose from. There's Dioro, 1946, Style and Trend, and the Chocolate Box. So basically some clothing for men and women, a candy store, and like a convenience souvenir type of shop. While watching this video, don't forget to look for Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl or Clarice the Atlantic City Crown. One of them is going to show up in this video. Note the time where you saw either Mitzi or Clarice, and note the timestamp and put it in the comments below. And if you're the first one to comment the time that you spotted it, you get a shout out on an upcoming video. Okay then, let's head back to Atlantic City and check out the Golden Nugget along the Absecon Bay here. Hold on tight. One thing right off the bat that I really don't care for about this casino is that the public areas are pretty much broken up between different stories, including the casino, the shops, the restaurants. Sometimes you don't know if you were looking for a place on the first level or the second level, or if your lucky slot machine was downstairs or upstairs. It's pretty much broken up. As far as eating here at the Golden Nugget in Atlantic City, there's Vic and Anthony's, there's the Chart House, which we saw at the beginning of this video, there's the Grotto Italian Restaurant, Lily's Asian Cuisine, Bill's Bar and Burger. Of course, there's a buffet here. Where wouldn't there be a buffet, either in Atlantic City or Las Vegas? There's Michael Patrick's Brasserie, there's a Bean and Bread and H2O Bar and Grill, and of course the Deck Bayfront Bar and Restaurant, which we saw at the beginning of this video as well. Some of the shopping here at the Golden Nugget in Atlantic City include the Pool Boy, which is basically everything you need to hang out by the pool. There's even a marina shop here. There's the Signature Shop, Essentials 24-hour one-stop shop, Gadgets Electronic Shop, Style and Trend, D'Oreo, and the Chocolate Box, the last two also being available at the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas. This here is the Hand of Faith Nugget, the world's largest golden nugget. Usually it's shown at the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas. It's on loan here right now in Atlantic City. A couple of quick shout outs here. One to Vinny Gooch, who found Clarice the Atlantic City Crown at the Hard Rock here in Atlantic City, that video. Chris Imbrenda, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in the Tropicana Vegas vs. Atlantic City video. Of course, Wise Malik, who found Mitzi in the Harrah's Las Vegas vs. Atlantic City video. And RB, who found Clarice the Crown in Bally's Las Vegas vs. Atlantic City video. So these Vegas vs. Atlantic City videos, you guys are really finding those hidden mascots, so good eye, guys. As you can see, a lot more shopping and restaurants here at the Atlantic City Golden Nugget. This is the reception area, or the check-in area. And as we turn the corner here, well, this kind of looks familiar. I remember those odd-looking lights hanging above. I'm just not sure if we're on the first level, the second level, or the third level. Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's explore, shall we? So that seemed to be the second or the middle level, which is, I guess, where the shops and restaurants are and some part of the casino. As we go upstairs to the third level, we'll see what's up there, so hold on tight. You know, the more I look and think about it, especially from up here, this place looks more like a shopping mall than a hotel and casino. Not sure if this is the high roller area or the poker room, but again, as you can see, the casino's really chopped up. Some more restaurants up here on the third level, including the Golden Nugget Buffet. Okay, back downtown in Las Vegas, let's check out the casino here at the Golden Nugget on Fremont Avenue. First off, the casino as well as other public spaces seem to be on one level, which makes navigating around here a lot easier than it is in Atlantic City. Secondly, the appearance of this place seems to be much older, and it obviously is, than the one in Atlantic City. The Golden Nugget here on Fremont Street downtown was built in 1946, making it one of the older hotel and casinos in Las Vegas. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. The place is maintained very well. There doesn't seem to be any wear and tear, and like I said, it has an old-time vibe, but everything is in working condition and looks really good. This is the Rush Lounge located right off the casino floor, and it's kind of like a lounge, sports bar slash casino because there are some table games inside this lounge here. By the way, if you're into that old time original Las Vegas vibe, I suggest you check out the El Cortez, which is right around the block here. It really is true to that form, and actually there's a video on the El Cortez on this channel, the New York channel, so check it out. And now we'll check out the casino here at the Atlantic City Golden Nugget. And as you can see, it's obviously newer, but a lot of the fixtures and even the lighting seem reminiscent of that old Golden Nugget look that's on Fremont Street in downtown Las Vegas. Speaking of casino furniture, did you ever notice the chairs in the casino? The majority of them all have open backs. There must be a reason for that, and if you know the reason for that, please leave a comment below. But it seems like all the chairs in casinos have little holes in the back so that, I don't know, for some security reason or whatever, but just an observation. And of course, now that I made that observation and brought it up, none of the chairs on these slot machines have open back, so there goes my theory. But I do notice it a lot with the table game, so again, there must be a reason for that. By the way, this video was edited and uploaded just a couple of days after Las Vegas reopened post-COVID, so I'm going to head out there in the next day or two and spend a few days out there and come back with a whole bunch of videos showing you guys what Las Vegas looks like now, what changes have been made. Again, I'm going to post a lot of videos. I might even do a couple, one or two maybe, live videos from the Strip, so stay tuned for that. So as we walk from the Golden Nugget to Harrah's along the Absecon Bay here in Atlantic City, which casino did you think was better, the one in Las Vegas or the one here in Atlantic City? I made up my mind, and the winner is Golden Nugget Las Vegas. That's right. I really like that place. It's got that old-time feel, but it's got all the excitement of Fremont Street right outside. And, well, this place is kind of dead down here in Atlantic City, the Golden Nugget, and I just don't like the layout of the whole hotel. And I say it's dead down here, but you might be looking for a little rest and relaxation from the Atlantic City Boardwalk, and I certainly feel like that sometimes. But if I had to choose between the Golden Nugget or Harrah's, which is right next door, I'd much rather choose Harrah's simply because there's a lot more to do at that hotel and casino than there is here at the Golden Nugget. And of course, you don't have the boardwalk, so you're going to be spending a lot more time inside the hotel. So congratulations to the Golden Nugget downtown on Fremont Street, Las Vegas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.